कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी आशाएं, गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
The population is 1.30 million.
Okay.
And as we know that if we are how the deforestation is increasing day by day, and if we are so to save our nature, we can invest from the global warming. Please don't forget and please treat plastic.
And this place what is the land pollution. And this garbage.
बढ़िया ये तो नीचे आ गया था ना क्या है
In 1631 she has died, but in 1632 it has been started. The built in 1651.
Smokes are coming up because when the earth is getting warmer day by day, there was the warmer getting side to the cold, and the day will become after that sometime that the earth will get divided into two parts, as we know that it will get fully destroyed. And this are the message for all the human beings that please grow and more and more trees to protect our earth to get destroyed. One side of the earth will be burning, and one side of the earth will be the glacier will be melt. And due to this, as I have explained you already that, and this is the poster picture at Copenhagen, which indicates that Denmark. In a Denmark, in which that it is a human industrial climate. There is only one message to all: the trees grow and grow more and more trees. This is a working model. Solar system. Every planet has its orbit. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. When this happens, it came by an American astronomer named Edwin Hubble in 1920 who discovered that procedure here. This is the sun which is made of plutonium and helium gas, and here's the Earth along with its moon. It's rotating on its axis, and when it's complete one rotation on its own axis, days and nights are passed, and when it travels some distance, like it's traveled to here, seasons are called. And Pluto was also considered as a planet, but after some cosmological theories, Pluto was considered as a dwarf planet, and it was eliminated from the whole. India, a country in southern Asia, bounded to the north by Nepal, Bhutan and China,
to the west by Pakistan and Afghanistan, to the east by Myanmar and Bangladesh, to the southeast by Bay of Bengal, and to the southwest by Arabian Sea, and to the south by Indian Ocean. The Himalayas, it is bounded the northern plains of the northern boundary of the India. The Himalayas is divided into three parts: the Lesser Himalaya, the Middle Himalaya, and the Sivalik ranges. Area of 50, more than 50 km. The Middle Himalaya is generally known for hill stations, and the Sivalik range is spread up to 10 to 15 km. Then the desert. The trees like date palms are found in the desert, and then comes the northern plain, which is granary for our country. It gives the base of early civilization. And then the plateau, the Deccan Plateau. Malwa Plateau covers the area of Maharashtra and other states, Chotanagpur, and these plateaux are the unique area for storehouse of minerals. And the coastal plains are generally known for the best site for fishing and port activities. Thus we can say that India is an incredible country. India is renamed on the name of a country. No any other countries and no any other ocean have the name on a country, and no any other ocean form the monsoon. And thus we can say that India is an incredible country.
Architecture under the Sultanate of Delhi. Construction work was started by Qutbuddin Aibak and completed by Iltutmish. It displays the great engineering skill. It rises to the height of 72.5 meters and situated in Delhi.